Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. Thank you for dropping by. This is the card I have to share with you today. It's this very simple happy birthday card. Now the technique I wanted to show in this card is actually that you can heat emboss using our ink pads. You don't need to always just use Versamark. You can use the Stampin Up normal ink pads and get a really good emboss, heat emboss with clear embossing powder. So stamps that I'm going to use is this one called Phrases for All, and we're going to use the sentiment here that says happy birthday. I've got everything set up here, my stamper artist, to help me out, and I'm just going to ink up really well using my what's this called, Pretty Peacock ink. I want to get it really nice and inked up as best as I can. So get that down, hold it, give it a really good push. That looks great. And then quickly I'm going to bring in a coffee filter and my clear embossing powder and cover that in clear embossing powder before it has a chance to dry. Just like that. And now I can see it's covered it completely, which is great. So now we can heat set that. Okay, so that's heat set. So let's cut it out using a trimmer. So let's see, where do we want it to be? I'm just doing this by eye. Just the way I normally do these things. And let's see, I think that'll do. Okay, so let's get rid of the trimmer, leave these scraps aside, bring in the rest of our pieces. So our card base is Pretty Peacock, so it's a standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then I've got a piece of basic white here for the insert. And all the measurements will be on the blog post on my website. So, and you can find the link to that in the description box below. You can also find all my social media links there, including the link to my Facebook group where I host fortnightly challenges and we can share each other's creations. Okay, so now I've got a piece here. This is the Softly Stippled Designer Series paper. And this is a freebie Dream Celebration. So Dream Celebration, for every qualifying purchase, you can choose a freebie from the Celebration catalogue. And this is one of the pieces I chose. So I'm just going to layer up some pattern on pattern. And the colours here, Calypso Coral and Pool Party. And now I'm just going to map this on another piece here. I'm just going to put this down. Maybe have a bit of a bigger melt this time than normal. That will do fine. Get my scissors out. Now you could do this using your trimmer. I'm going to live dangerously and just use my eye and say that will do me fine. And then we're going to put on some dimensionals. So this is when I'm going to use up some of my backings. You can see it works absolutely fine. And then I'm actually going to cut a little bit. I do this quite often. I use up my edges before I use up the rest of my dimensional. That should be fine. The great thing about backings is you don't have so many edges rolling, you don't have so many backings to take off. So you use all your dimension. It's a win-win situation as far as I'm concerned. So put that in the center. Isn't that cute? Really simple card, but I love how it turned out. Now I'm going to use some of these faceted trio gems. And we're just going to put one in each corner. Now I don't know why one here is sitting on top of his friend. I don't know if I can get him off. Don't think so. I'll leave him there for now. I'm just going to use some of these silver ones in each corner. There we go. So there are our 2 cards done, and you can see how beautiful it heat embosses and how easy that is to heat emboss with our inks. And there you go. So there are the 2 cards. I hope you liked them. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you wanted more information about the project, as I said, it's all on the blog post on my website. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.